In this video for Positive Maths, we're going to learn how to find the distance of a line segment. So let's consider, how would we find the length of this line segment? So we have the point A, which is 2, 1, and the point B, which is 6, 4. So we're looking for the distance D. We're going to consider the theorem of Pythagoras. So Pythagoras' theorem tells us that if we have a right angle triangle, and we have A, B, and C is the hypotenuse, then C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So in our case here, if we identify this as A, and this length here as B, then we can apply Pythagoras' theorem to find D. So we'll have D squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. So to find D, it's going to be the square root of A squared plus B squared. So let's generalize this to obtain the distance formula. So again, if we take our distance here, and we call it A, and our distance here, and we call it B, then D squared is equal to A squared plus B squared, like we saw on the slide before. So therefore D is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. So here, instead of A squared plus B squared, for A we have x2 minus x1, so that's difference between the x values of the 2 points. And for B we have y2 minus y1. This is the difference in the y values between the 2 points. So it gives us the formula. D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Whenever we're dealing with coordinate geometry, we don't need to formulate this. All we need to be able to do really is just to use it accurately. So we just use Pythagoras' theorem to just have a little bit of a better understanding of where this formula comes from. So let's put it into practice. We want to find the length of the line segment shown. So this is going to be my point A, and this will be my point B. So I'm looking for the distance AB. So the first thing I'm going to do is write out my points again. And label them x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now I'm going to write down my formula. So we have the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Now I'm going to substitute in my values. So for x2, I have minus 1. Minus x1 is going to give me plus 6 squared. Y2 is minus 3 and y1 is 5. Here we have to be really careful with our signs. So if we have minus x1 and we're substituting in minus 3 for x1, then it's going to be minus 3, which will give us plus 3. Okay, so to continue on, we just need to simplify. So minus 1 plus 6 is going to give me 5 squared. Minus 3 minus 5 is going to give me minus 8 squared. So I'm going to get the square root of 25 plus 64. That's going to give me the square root of 89. So the length of AB is going to be 9.43. For more information, visit PositiveMaths.ie, email us at info@PositiveMaths.ie, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Thanks for watching.